This isn't the only anniversary. You mentioned the PowerPC transition, but who can forget the infamous Apple Typewriter memo, which came out 40 years ago. I guess it's not really an anniversary. It says February 1980, so maybe this is an old article. But I do love this. Yeah, it is an old article. It's 45 years ago now. Apple is this is from Mike Scott.
Then CEO, yeah.
Then CEO of Apple from February 1977 to March 1981. In February 1980, he decided to write this memo. Apple is an innovative company. We must believe and lead in all areas. If word processing is so neat, then let's all use it. By January 81, no typewriters at Apple. Ken, get rid of the DEC word processor ASAP. By the way, if you give up your typewriter, you'll get the latest Apple II plus Apple II writer system. And first priority on new Apple high-performance systems. Yeah.
Man, I wrote a lot of words in Apple Writer. That was their own word processor that they had for a long time.